Hello students, today we are going to solve 8th numerical of previous year gate question. Question is given as a 10 meter wide rectangular channel carries a discharge of 20 meter cube per second under critical condition. Using small g equals to 9.81 meter per second square, the specific energy in meter up to 2 decimal places is. Now we have to find the specific energy for this question. We know that EC will be equals to 3 by 2 of YC. Therefore, YC will be equals to Q square upon G to the power 1 by 3. Now we know that Q will be equals to 20 by 10 here, so it will be equals to 2. Now EC will be equals to 3 by 2 in bracket 2 square upon 9.81 to the power 1 by 3. After solving this, we will have specific energy equals to 1.11 meter. Now after solving this, we will have specific energy equals to 1.11 meter. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much, students.